Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, I gotta get some of this stuff out of my back of this truck, so I decided to come and work on this tranny. I already got the cone off. That's all clean. But I'm just scrapping out this tranny. A little bit of fluid's coming out. I'll push this back a little bit. I got something for that. And it's not a bunch, it's just a little bit. All the guts have been taken out of it. So yeah, that is what we're doing today. I don't think I have something that big. In fact, I know I don't. Well, that might work. I'll try it and see. Well, maybe I can break it. Maybe. Maybe not. Nope. Not with the tools that I got. Maybe this one will break a little bit. No. Thing is I don't want to put too much torque on this little thing because it wouldn't be good. But maybe, just maybe, this one will fit in here. Okay. Come on, let go. Yeah, well, that was easy. But these two are going to be a pain. I don't have a tool for that. Damn. Damn. And that's not the right end. Come on, hands. So I still have not made up my mind about the surgery. You know, I can't just My glove's all oily and I don't want to touch the impact with that hand. Okay. See here. Not that one. Oh. One size bigger. It's a 10. So yeah, and I can't get this off because it takes a special socket. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Just don't know. I need to put that over there for right now. I think it's this one. No, that's too small. I need one bigger than that. And I don't think this one's bigger. I think it's smaller. Yep. Smaller, smaller, smaller. Of course it's smaller. Can I get this off with this? Oh, look at that. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I've been noticing in some of my videos you guys can actually hear me breathing. I think the mic is too good on this GoPro. Just a little bit. Okay, just toss that back there. And this should drop. Let me just push this over here for a second. That thing. Okay. This is the torque converter. And looky what we got. We got more torque bits. Ain't that wonderful? I need to take a small break. So, but there is a couple things that I do want to talk about. Bill Fitzsimmons, also known as Scrapping Together, I sent you a Facebook friend request. So, we are now connected once you accept on Facebook. If there's anybody else who has been a follower of mine from my other channels, as long as your subscriptions and I can see your name on my YouTube channel, go ahead and write in the comments. I normally don't, you know, put things on Facebook that have to do with scrapping, and I don't have a private page yet for that. But who knows? Who knows what's right around the corner? Another subscriber, which is on my Facebook, which is me and him have been talking back and forth about what it would take to get the other truck up and to sell this. Basically what it comes down to is money. You know, I need distributor cap, rotor, wires, spark plugs, stuff like that. The wood, the hardware, the screws to put all the wood panelings up. You know, I need all that to where I could be able to save a little bit of money, because that unit is costing me $70, which I really don't have. So I need to move the truck by the time the rent is due, or come up with $70 for the rent for another month until something happens. Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, that's where we're at. And now I'm just breaking these loose. Come on, hand. Ow. It hurts my hand to do this, but I gotta get it done. So, a little pain hasn't killed anybody. Go on. I want to get these trannies taken care of so I can go and turn them in. Get a little bit of money, because I got my car insurance is the next one to come up. And that will be the 11th of next month. So So, yep. And then all you do is just come in here and just yank these out. Then you find the little one that you did have. Take out those middle ones. Oops. I forgot one. Right there. I missed that one totally. They put Loctite on them. You can see by the yellow, that's actually Loctite. So they don't back out. Okay. Now, I just gotta find I just had it. There it is. This will take out, I believe, these little ones right there. I'll just break them. Break them with this, and then go around with the impact. And just seems like these are not on there too tight. Sorry, you guys can't see. But that's another reason why my first video took so long, is I was trying to get you guys the best possible view, and it just took up way too much time. This time I'm not going to do it because I want to try to get this stuff done and out for anything that comes up, like a clean out or something. Yeah, I'll be getting into that hopefully shortly. I thought I was going to have one on the 30th, but that person came in and paid. Some more Loctite. Okay, looks like all those are out, unless my old eyes missed something. Doesn't look like it, so let's find out. And there she comes. Oh wow, I think I like this one. the whole thing, the whole guts came out. Well, ain't that nice? Well, not all of them, but majority of them did. And I see one lock ring, so well, that's not going to be too bad, I don't think. There should be a lock ring or something around this. I don't know, I don't see it. But this might be also a oh, this won't come out because of those two bolts. So I'll have to figure out something for that. But we do have all this stuff, which none of it is, you know, lock ring right there. What did I do with my screwdriver? Well, that might be for another day. Oh. I don't even have a damn... None of this is aluminum anyways. So, scrap. This might be aluminum right here. Oh, look at that. More Torx bits. Anybody want to take stock in Torx bits? You sure use a lot of them in transmissions. But those look like the bigger ones. And I don't have those. So, oh well, it is what it is. But as you can see, I got most of it apart. And that's all that matters. Maybe I'll run and go see if one of the mechanics has a Torx bit I can use to break those. And then yeah. Well, it's apart. In pieces, but it's apart. And that's almost clean, except for I gotta get rid of that. And that should drop that. That's clean. That's clean. And I got two more in my storage unit that I gotta clean. So that's 4. But I gotta get them cleaned. Unfortunately, I don't have a shop to do this in. As you can see, I gotta do it out of the back of my truck. Okay. And y'all saw the video to that. That has to go in the trash. And I'll get a hold of that here. I'll get rid of that today. But, yeah, slowly but surely, it's coming together. Yeah, buddy. Oh. So, yeah, but let's get in here and open up this door. It's one thing I'm going to enjoy about the other vehicle. I just got to hit a button and it unlocks. I don't have to jump across anymore. So, but I need to get behind that seat. I need to get some stuff out that I definitely need to put back there. Well, and this was going down. Okay, I got a lot of trash to throw away. This is all the stuff that, unfortunately, I don't think that's any good. That was from a clean out. This is a brand new photo album in box. Anybody want a curling iron? I might as well cut the cord off of that now. Oh, there's a purse that I got from a clean out. But that's just going to go in the trash. Oh yeah, that's why I put it back there, because all this was tangled up together and I couldn't get it undone. But oh, we got Christmas lights back here. I didn't even know that. See what happens when you clean your stuff out? This is what I'm after right here, along with that cup. Come on. Time to get a little dirty. Soak some of this stuff up. So that's all we're going to do today. I'm just trying to get this stuff soaked up so I can get rid of it. Go. Pour some more on this side, and then let it do its magic. There. Done. Put that back in there. And yes, you get dirty at doing this. But it's done. And before I throw all these bags away, I need to grab the napkins. So I can wipe my hands off. So, but yeah, that's it for today. At least that's all I'm going to record. So, and I got these two things to take care of yet, which that'll be later on today. But I just wanted to get this apart. But of course it's not coming apart. It will as soon as I take these off. Oh, that's what I wanted. The magnet. Try to check some of this stuff out. Found my magnet. It was actually over in my pile over there. Let's see. Will it stick? Nope. That's aluminum. That's metal. That's not sticking. That's sticking. Okay, that first piece, but I gotta take that off. That's aluminum. This case is aluminum. This is aluminum. That's not. This piece down here that everything is connected to. I'll take all that apart. But I gotta get rid of this. Oh, actually. Oh, look at that. One lock ring, and all this comes out. And there should be another lock ring, which is, yeah, right here. I'll have to find my screwdriver to take that out, and then that piece will come out. So actually I want to leave this one back here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, but basically it's all taken apart. Just little bitty pieces that I got to take off. And I'm not going to bore you with that. Yeah. So, as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Later, Gators.